Hello everybody, it's Swordy and welcome back to another video of Spider-Man Remastered. Going right where we left off with getting a skill. Oh, wrong button. Skill tree. Leveled up. Skill points. Skill points are awarded when you gain enough experience points. Complete missions, defeat enemies, and XP and gain skill points. Okay. Hold X, swing, kick enemies and flying. Perfect dodge. Or web throw. Perfect dodge. Yeah. Okay.
Parker, where are you? The committee will be here soon. We
Point
need to run an
launch.
equipment check.
I'm almost there. Blocks away.
Guess I'll just do it myself.
No, don't. It's not safe.
Gotta get to my day job.
Gotta love Doc's enthusiasm, but sometimes it gets him into trouble. Better get there before he hurts himself.
Ooh. Dive. God, this is a gorgeous game. Gotta remember to web zip. Oh, sorry about that. That's my cat. Alrighty. Day job, here we come.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Oh, beautiful. No.
You started without me.
The grant committee's director will be here soon.
Robotics. Prosthetic limbs.
It's fine, Parker. I invented this equipment. I think I can handle it.
I don't think you can handle the equipment.
Oh, man. Maybe we should abort.
Not yet.
I think you should abort.
Hold on! Dr. Octavius, are you okay?
Another setback. But we're close.
It was like from that one scene from Spider-Man 2.
Is anyone hurt?
No, it was all my fault.
The energy levels exceeded our expectations. From a certain viewpoint, that's a very positive development.
It doesn't smell very positive.
I assure you, in the next phase.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Is there somewhere else we can discuss this?
Maybe you should take the rest of the day off, Peter.
But I just got here.
We'll talk later.
Better give me a raise. At least.
That was a disaster. How could the dampener have failed? I know Doc said take the day off, but I have to figure out what went wrong. Ooh, you are in bad shape, little guy.
Let's play with an arm with a controller.
Let's see what's wrong with you.
Saw nothing. Alrighty. Servo control path damaged. Connect servo motor. Power voltage control. Alright.
Circuit burned out.
Puzzles!
Damn it. If I had been here to do the pre-check, I would have caught this.
Create a connection between the green start piece and the orange end piece. Okay. That. Easy.
Okay, need to reroute
Some
servo
circuit pieces
control.
only allow connections from specific directions. Okay. Let's do that one, this one, that, this, that, this.
Nice. Okay, what next? And now rebalance the
In order to
voltage.
set the power voltage control, you must also meet its charge requirements. Some circuit pieces provide a positive or negative charge. Alright. So, I need 3. That one, this one. I need that.
Finished.
Easy. I'll try to do
Let's
as
see if
limited
that
side
worked.
stuff as well. I'm not gonna try and have that in the videos,
Good as new.
unless if it's necessary. Open world games can get pretty extensive on the
Doc's been
side
testing new
activities.
materials for the prosthetics. He asked me to review his work if I had time. May as well dig in now.
Run. I'll try and stick with just the main stuff on games.
Doc was testing a new contact material for the prosthetic.
Use fragments of the unknown substance and try to match up the absorption lines in the spectrum. Okay. Use the left stick to move your cursor, press A to pick up the fragment. Alright. Place fragment into available slot and try to match the absorption line. Yep. Okay. And 3.
Hydrogel polymer composite. Strong, but there's a lot of impedance. Better tell Doc to keep looking for other materials. Alright. I should get out of here before I screw things up for Doc even more.
Yeah. Alright. Day job done. Damn, Pete. Need a new suit.
Spider-Man, it's Yuri.
Fisk make it to Rikers yet?
Not Rikers. Our boy qualifies for the VIP treatment. He's in the raft.
Ah, joining Scorpion, Electro, and the rest. Fisk should be honored. That's esteemed company.
Can you swing by the precinct? Got an issue that could benefit from your unique skill set.
Oh yeah.
For you, Yuri, anything. I'm on my way.
Yes, gotta get buddy with the cops. After all, who doesn't
Looks
love
like Jameson's got a
Spider-Man?
new episode out. Wonder what my #1 fan thinks about the Fisk takedown.
This is Just the Facts with J. Jonah Jameson, where listeners like you discuss the issues affecting our city with Pulitzer Prize-winning two-time Pulitzer Prize-winning former publisher of the Daily Bugle. Hey, plug the book. And as always, if you order Mr. Jameson's book, Spider-Man, Threat or Menace, within 24 hours of our broadcast, you'll get an autographed copy at no extra charge.
No personalizations, don't ask, not gonna get it. Welcome to Just the Facts with J. Jonah Jameson, alerting you to the threats you don't even know about. Let's dive right into the calls. Me.
Okay, so not for nothing. You gotta give Spider-Man respect for taking down Wilson Fisk, right? I mean, one less mob boss is good for everyone.
Is that right? Tell me, are you a police officer? Prosecutor? Maybe an award-winning reporter with decades on the job like me?
No, I'm a plumber.
Oh, good. Then fix my toilet and shut up! Let me explain something to you about crime bosses. Soon as one goes down, every punk with a gun, a tracksuit, and a drawer full of gold chains decides he's the next godfather. We're gonna have a gang war in the streets, but does that whip-headed moron give a damn? Of course not. It got on TV. That's what counts.
Yeah, well, I can get copper pipe without paying kickbacks now. So until that gang war starts, I'm on the webhead side.
And you'll be singing a different tune when 3 new mobs are lining up to charge you triple for that same pipe. Or just break your legs. Goodbye!
Someday, Jonah, I'm gonna get you to say something nice about me.
Love Jonah.
Now that you quit smoking, what do you tell people when you come up here?
That I need a break from their crap.
Fair enough. So, why'd you call? Need a date to the policeman's ball?
You got a black and white suit? No ball this year anyway. We spent too much integrating Oscorp surveillance tech.
Worth it though, right?
It was. Until an hour ago. The system went down. Citywide. Every tower.
How?
They tell me someone sabotaged the central server, and now all the towers are offline.
Inside job?
Maybe. I'll figure it out later. Right now, we need to get the towers back online. Fast.
And you called me? Aw, that's sweet.
I called someone I could trust. Plus, the signals are scrambled and we have no idea how to fix it.
Ooh. I love a challenge.
You break it, you buy it.
I thought you trusted me.
How could you not trust Spider-Man?
Let's take a look at this tower. Input bands have been shifted. Subtle.
Nope. Yes.
We just had a tower come back online. Was that you?
Definitely
Not just
not
a pretty
me.
mask, huh?
Whatever you did, any chance you could do it to the other towers?
Maybe.
Sure, but just so you know, I had to sync up with the tower to fix it. I'm seeing all crime data in the area now. Looks like there's a break-in happening near me.
Great.
Crime.
I've got units nearby.
Don't bother. I'm on it.
Here I come.
Do it! Watch my back.
Yes, literally back to back.
Pretty sure these guys didn't forget their keys.
Moink. Oh. Enemies with melee weapons block most attacks but are vulnerable to air launch, webs, and throws. Moink. Oof. Hell yeah.
Okay, wrapped up.
Thanks for that. Now I'm seeing an assault near you.
You're in luck, Yuri. Your favorite tough but lovable, grizzled, seen-too-much detective is in town.
What? No. You promised you wouldn't do that any...
Spider Cop.
Spider.
No.
So you're the snitch.
Back off, creep.
Yep, she's the one.
I said back off! Leave me alone!
That's a thick boy.
Get away from her!
Oof. Brutes will knock your melee or block your melee attacks. Use webs and throwables to make them vulnerable. Okay. Oh, bats. Uh. Ooh, perfect. Oh.
Walk away now, or she's dead!
Let me go!
Save the hostage before time runs out. Use the left stick to aim at the target. Press RB to disarm them. From downtown! Miss.
All clear, ma'am.
I knew Jameson was wrong about you. You're a little weird, but you got a good heart.
Have you got somewhere to go?
I can take care of myself.
I'm sure you can, but just in case, there's a place called the Feast Center.
Seen it. I don't want charity.
They got the best wheat cakes in the city, hands down.
Mom used to make those. Haven't had any in a long time. I'll check it out. Thanks, Spider Guy.
It's Spider-Man. Oh well. Should be able to spot the next tower from up there.
Spider Guy from now on. Whee!
From his elevated position, Spider Cop spies his destination. A second surveillance tower.
Are you narrating yourself?
What? No! Of course not! The Chief never did understand Spider Cop. Thought he was a loose cannon.
Already regretting this.
Regretting it? Why?
Bet I can modify these towers to track more than just crimes.
There we go. Such a pretty city. Backpack.
Score! Towers are picking up all kinds of RFID signals now, including one nearby. What is that?
That would be a collectible.
Oh, wow. One of my old backpacks from high school. Forgot I attached tracking dots to these. Wonder how many of these are scattered around the city.
A lot. Jesus.
Still there? Got a robbery a few blocks away.
Spider Cop's on it. Part man, part spider, all cop.
Open the safe! Do it!
Hey, fellas.
Ah! Spider-Man! Shoot him!
No, don't shoot me. Oof. Whoa.
More of them? Guys, if you worked this hard at a legit job, you wouldn't need to be criminals.
Finisher.
All right, Yuri. I'm gonna repair the last Chinatown tower now.
Don't you mean Spider Cop's gonna repair it?
Been doing a little thinking, Yuri. Policing's a young man's game. And Spider Cop, well, he's no spring chicken.
Please be going where I think you're going.
As of today, Spider Cop is officially retired.
Oh, thank God. I need a drink.
We'll all drink tonight, Yuri. Drink to the memory of Spider Cop's tireless... Yuri? Yuri, you there? Guess the emotion of the moment overwhelmed her.
So overwhelming and sad. No more Spider Cop. He will be remembered. Wow. More backpacks. Level up. Sweet.
Not good. Can't have people taking pictures of my 3 chest hairs.
3
Tools I need for
hairs.
suit repair at the lab. Wonder if Dr. Octavius is left for the day.
Maybe. But where is the lab? It's over
Doctor,
there.
how did it go with the committee? I'm so sorry I screwed things up.
Not at all, Peter. They're just nervous in the face of imminent triumph. They'll calm down. They always do.
Should I head back to the lab for cleanup?
No. I'm stepping out for dinner anyhow. We'll resume tomorrow. Short break, then back to creating the future.
Wish I could bottle and sell that man's optimism. Sounds like he's left the lab for the day. Good time to work on my suit in private.
Yes. Need new suits. It's getting a little chilly with all these holes. Oh. Bugs.
Those guys are already breaking. I better stop the entry. You guys don't look like locksmiths.
That's one.
How are we supposed to fight him up there, huh?
That's two. Oh. That's three. Do this. Oh.
You ain't ready for this.
Point. Point. Oh, almost got hit.
So, you're all going to jail. Where I bet you'll be as good at breaking out as you were at breaking in.
I am not getting hit. I'll not do any side stuff off camera to make it so it's more lively. Still doing Spider-Man stuff, like crimes and whatnot, but I'll do some things here and there, just so that I've got maybe some suits to show off and whatnot, but we're trying to keep it story focused. Back to the lab. Gotta get that suit fixed.
Looks like Doc's gone for the night. Time to sneak in some spider work.
Definitely not Spider-Man. Nope.
Parker! Dr. Octavius, what you got there?
Chinese. If I know you'd be here, I would have... What are you working on?
Oh, just a side project.
It's not what you think, Doctor.
Of course. It's you.
I don't know what
Oh,
you're...
come on, Parker. It's obvious.
Just let me explain.
I only wish you'd told me sooner.
I wanted to, but I was afraid that if word got out, my family might be in danger.
Huh. Yes. I guess if you design his equipment, you're bound to be a target too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't worry. Your secret's safe. Well,
That's good, because I'm definitely not
I'll
Spider-Man.
leave you to it.
Gotta get my beauty sleep.
Check your email. Hope this isn't how
Damn.
Doc fires me.
It's a nice computer setup. Wish I had a computer setup like that.
Peter, the revelation of your second job as Spider-Man suit crafter, is that the right term? Is a reminder of the good man and partner you are. No matter how hard you work, you still find time to help others. I hope you don't mind, but I noticed the suit was a bit damaged, and I took the liberty of sketching up some of my own improvements. Attached are a few ideas I had on how you could enhance his suit and help protect Spider-Man, who does so much for this city. Looking forward to the incredible work that we're doing and changing the world together. Your partner and friend, Otto.
White spider, huh?
You can now use tokens to create the advanced suit. Complete side missions and citywide activities to earn tokens. Hold it, crafted advanced suit. New suit power unlocked. Craft a new suit auto equips the suit power. Use the suit power menu to swap back to any previous suit powers you've unlocked. Yes, I'll probably make suits off camera and I'll get the powers of them and showcase the ones that I've collected. So, to try and keep it streamlined and going. To not have such a long series that's just not doing the story. Use tokens to create suit mods. Suit mods increase utility and boost offensive defense. 3 suit mods at a time.
That should do it.
Excuse me, late for work.
Oh, looking slick.
Coming through.
Looking good, Spidey!
Hello, New York! Haha! New suit, same old me.
Alright. Well, that does it for this episode. I hope that you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. Alright. See ya.